Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches. And today I have two boxes, one envelope, another envelope. I don't know how to do this. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. um, let's see. The best, I'll try the best that I can. All right, so let's um, let's go envelopes here, and this one is, I believe, a strap that I picked up from Bandar Bands, and this is a kind of like a Flieger type strap that I'm gonna put on my Gino. It has rivets, and I'm not a frog, not rivets, rivets. Okay. Anyway, so that's gonna go in my Gino. I wanted to dress up my Gino since I decided that I wasn't gonna sell it, but then somebody was interested, and then they kind of flaked. So no problem. It's a good watch. I should keep it. And oh, that's gonna look cool, man. That's gonna really look cool on the Gino, and maybe I'll post something up on Insta soon with the strap change. That is gonna look cool. I didn't know how I was gonna feel about the rivets in person, but I kind of dig them. Awesome. Now, next is a from Metal Complex. Now, if you don't know who Metal Complex is, he is a knife guy and does awesome reviews. And you know, he always starts off, "Hey YouTube, it's Metal Complex here," and so I joined his Patreon, and I think this is a sticker, man. He gives stickers, yeah, he gives stickers to his Patreons. Totally gonna slap that right on the laptop with next to my slicey dicey sticker. Band-aid there because I did cut myself playing with a knife. So anyway, and you can follow Metal Complex. That's his Instagram handle right there. So thanks, Metal Complex. Awesome. All right, so let's go with the big box here, and I know what this is going to be. This is I ordered some Bobby Legs mugs, and I think I ordered 10. I probably should have ordered more, but these are all spoken for, by the way, too. So yeah, half of them are going to family because they got bent out of shape. That I sent random Rob a mug without sending it to them. But let's take a look. My wife for Father's Day surprised me with some Bobby Leg swag that she had made up through Vistaprint, and one of it was a mug. So I'm really really excited to give some mugs out. Bobby Legs, I love making these videos. And I hope you like them too. I get it. It's not grammatically correct. I said it a couple times when I first made videos, and then it stuck. My wife made fun of me, and it stuck. So I get it. I get it. All right. I know. I know. All right. And this last one is one. The box looks a little beat up. It was supposed to get here Monday. It didn't come Monday. It was supposed to get here Tuesday. Didn't come Tuesday. I feared that UPS had lost it. I spoke to a couple of nice people, and they helped kind of track it down. Still not sure what happened and where to go, but hopefully everything is okay. Still trying to stay in the shot. Sorry. Um, oh yeah. So about a month ago, I bought a camo G squared titanium watch, and I love that watch. Took me a while to decide to get it, and I got it. I jumped on it. But Mrs. Legs liked it too. She loves camo. So I decided, well, I mean, I still want it, but I didn't want to get the camo because I felt it would be redundant. So I went for, and I found the black version, the original OG version of the titanium square. Oh baby, oh baby, oh ho 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 ho. Oh yes, look at that. That is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Holy cow. Okay. All right, guys, hold on. By the way, we're in the Panerai tonight. Oh, this is going long for an unboxing videos, guys, I know, but I don't care. Alright, I gotta size it. Oh man, this looks so awesome. Oh, this looks so awesome. Man, I'm really, really stoked about this. Now I guess I'm a G-Shock titanium square collector, and all that's left is the blue Digicamo. And then I'd have a collection, I guess. Wow, that looks awesome. Well, guys, thanks for sticking with me through this multiple box unboxing um, S show here tonight, and I will see you in the next video.